Sex offender and a man wanted in connection to a child assault case appeared before a judge, arrested just Friday after being on the run for days. Investigators say Douglas Lewis is their prime person of interest, or suspect I should say, in beating a 5-year-old. Our Hal Sherrick was at a bond hearing today, and Hal, some very disturbing information coming out.
Really was, Lanice, shocking to hear today, to say the least, that this child victim, not only did he suffer from a brain bleed injury from the assault last week, but also had a previous injury, an earlier injury, also showing a brain bleed. Not only that, but also tested positive for amphetamines in his system. Now, 45-year-old Douglas Lewis is being quarantined at the Baldwin County Jail and was brought in by himself for his bond hearing today. Judge Bill Scully heard statements from Baldwin County prosecutors outlining Lewis's extensive criminal history dating back to 1995, a conviction in California for sexual assault on a minor. Prosecutors asked for a high bond, saying Lewis is homeless and has nowhere to stay in the area. Police say Lewis was living with a Daphne family with 3 children, violating residency restrictions for a convicted sex offender. It was while he was babysitting for the parents last Monday night that police say they believe Lewis beat the 5-year-old child. A 7-year-old sibling found their brother non-responsive the next morning and alerted parents, who called the police. That's when police say Lewis went on the run until his arrest Friday.
What this child and what his siblings have gone through has been horrific, and what they've had to witness and what they know is not what any child should have to see or hear. They're meant to be protected, and this was somebody in a protective capacity, or should have been in a protective capacity, that was not protective.
Total bond for Douglas Lewis was set at $270,000 today. Now, prosecutors say that this investigation is far from over and that more charges could come. Now, the other 2 siblings have also been tested to see if they have amphetamines in their system. Right now, those test results have not come back. Reporting live in Fairhope, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.